Let's explore the process of placing videos side by side in CapCut through this detailed tutorial. To start, import your two videos into the timeline. One will function as your main video, while the other will act as an overlay. Ensure the duration of both videos matches perfectly. Next, select both videos and navigate to the Basic tab. Decrease the video scale to approximately 47% and position them on the screen according to your preference. Now let's enhance the transition with animations. Choose your video, access the Animations tab, and choose an animation. In this case, I'm opting for the flip animation. Adjust the animation duration to 1 second for a smooth effect. We can elevate the layout by adding a background. Select the main video, go to the Video Basics, scroll down, and Show Canvas option. Choose a suitable background that complements your project. Lastly, for an extra touch, head to the Text tab and select Text Template. Add appropriate text to your video. And there you have it. We hope this tutorial proves helpful to you. Thank you for watching.